Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, July 29, Wednesday, FOMC interest rate decision day. Be extra careful what you do today. I want to start with this warning. Please be extra careful how much money you risk today. Morning, Darren. Hey, Balkan. Hey, Jesse. Hey, Diana. Hey, Sajid. Hey, Sparrow. Good morning, Stefan. So, starting as usual with Bitcoin CME chart daily time frame. We had a bit of red last couple of days. Well, now we are trying to reclaim, we are trying to go back up a little bit. But keep in mind, what goes up in the FOMC day must to go back down. Well, usually, if we get a pump, we are already long, so we are in profit, that's good. Let it pump as much as it wants, we'll make money. But don't believe that this will be a real move. If the market is pumping before FOMC, before interest rate decision, that usually it's a trap and we'll get 100% or more retracement. Usually, I don't know what will happen. That's why I'm using risk management, I'm using setups, I'm using a trading plan, because I don't know what will happen this time. I don't know what will happen. So I need to force myself to work with a plan and a good risk management. But usually we get a retracement or a retest, a deep retest. If we'll go down, same thing. If we'll go down before the FOMC, we'll bounce back 100%. Okay, so what do we have now? Fucking around in the range, nothing new, nothing special. We had a pump to 67,100, we had a dump to 62,600, and now we're in the middle of that area. Same levels stay here. You can see SFUs at the highs at 67, could be something nice to trade. SFU of 69 again. SFU on the long side 61,600 or even 57. I don't know if we'll touch 57 today, but who the fuck knows? It's a FOMC day, so a lot of things could happen. Now, that's Bitcoin. Don't be too bearish on Bitcoin because we have bullish divergence on MACD, bullish divergence on RSI, bullish divergence on OBV. We have established a range here. So don't be too bearish for the moment. I do think that in the fall we'll accept in the long reload zone. Yes. At the moment, no. At the moment we are playing the range, and you can see we are playing classic fib pong. Okay, so that's Bitcoin on CME. Ethereum on CME looks kind of similar, a bit stronger than Bitcoin. I'm expecting the same scenario. If we accept above 2000, we can go to 2200 if we'll accept above this level. If not, and we'll aim out here, well, we can go back down at 1500 pretty fast. Keep in mind, this summertime, I think we'll play or fuck around between these two levels, 2000 and 1500. $500 range for Ethereum is good enough for me to trade. Well, if it's frozen, well, let's unfrozen it. Something is happening with OBS and I didn't have time to check what or how to resolve that one, but well, there you go. That should be better. So, range between 2000 and 1500. If we accept above 2000, then 2200 is the level I'm watching for a potential short. Hopefully later in the summer or in close to the fall to have that YM. Well, Bitcoin dominance, it's fighting the same levels, nothing new. Ethereum versus Bitcoin here. I'm still waiting for that YM. We touched 0.03, maybe we can push one more time. Give me the YM. If no YM, no setup, no nothing. I still think overall Ethereum versus Bitcoin needs to go a bit lower. But who am I to tell the market what to do? Yeah, Surya, don't tag everyone because you want to say good morning. I'm not tagging everyone when I'm saying good morning. Tagging people means something important. And you, as a general member or a free member, you should not use the tag ever. So, if you use the tag to tag everyone, you'll get timed out for 1 day. Uh, 1 day, stay quiet, learn your lesson. Please don't do it again. Yeah? Okay. It's not okay to tag the entire community because Surya wants to say good morning. When I'm saying good morning, I'm not tagging people. I'm tagging people when I have a link, when I have something important to say. Don't do it again, Surya. Okay? That's why we have that rule there. Okay, and that's automatic. If you'll tag, you'll get timed out for 24 hours. Getting back on the chart. Give me the M, and okay, I'll think lower. Stay here for the entire summer? Possible. Let's wait and see what will happen. Total market cap. Similar like Bitcoin. Like I told you yesterday, we have the M's. We have the M's on Bitcoin. We have the M's on total market cap. This is a valid M. A warning sign that maybe it's better to stay the fuck out and don't be too aggressive long, or don't become a moon boy here. Is my 2 cents. You can see it on the classic chart. Look at the M here. You can see it? That's a fucking M. Okay, now let's go on traditional market a little bit. Yes, fucking around, like I said, fib pong between short reload zone, long reload zone. Overall, we have this big range. Now, this is an established range here. Equal highs. Probably will go and create equal lows. For the moment, I think range is the game ES is playing. Maybe this game will last for the entire summer, who knows. But if you see an SFU, you can play that safely. If you see the price in a long reload zone, you can play along if you get a general setup. Similar for short ideas. There are setups to be played in a range. Well, it's not exciting. It's nothing that you should tell your neighbors about. It's a range, it's boring, but it's profitable if you know how to play it. Maybe I'll change the rule and I put 24 hours for that also, Kanta. If you can't pay the bills, don't write the F coin name in our chat. If I see you doing it intentionally, guess what will happen? Just guess. Maybe you don't like this community. Okay, so range, Fipong, boring but profitable if you know how to play the game. Gold, like I said, trying to do some W's, but unfortunately, look what we have here. This is a fucking M. This is another M. So I'm at the support. I'm hoping for the market to hold 4,000, but the market is making M's here. Doesn't look too bullish, to be honest. Could transform those M's in W's and push higher? Yes, but it's weak. It's probably will stay at 4,000 and fuck around here for a longer. I don't see a setup on gold. I said it multiple times. I prefer not to touch gold. Gold is... I made money with gold. I showed you some ideas last couple of months. But now you can see the volatility is lower. For day traders, if we have traders that are trading gold on 5-minute chart, yeah, it's profitable. But only for them. Oil, the war is on, the war is over, the war is on, fuckery. I told you don't touch this one because it's ugly. And it is respecting the levels, but I'll say it again. This game is not for us, people. DXY holding above the support and resistance level. As I said, I think if we'll accept and stay too much time here, we can go to the next one, 105. That's the next level. Shitcoins like ZEC, you should be short and deep in profit with this one. Yeah. Either you took almost 600 this level here and you shorted like a boss. Either you took the retest and you are short like a boss and you are in profit. Either you said, well, you listened to me and said, well, I'll stay the fuck out and wait for an M, and you waited for the M. When you are risk free and profit, that's good. Nothing else I could tell you about this one. To touch it here, no. If you are risk free, hold that one. Maybe you'll go lower, 400 and maybe lower. If we'll do a retest, well, at least you are risk free, you don't care too much. We'll follow Bitcoin and Ethereum, and if those will drop, this one will drop like a hammer. Or if we'll have bad news like we had last time, they could go down without by itself, without any help. For the moment, we are short and in profit. That's nice. Bit is fucking around here, and our favorite shitcoin finally is trying to bounce a little bit from above $100. I'm not impressed about this bounce, to be honest. After the launch and the pump and then the dump, well, showing me a little bit of $10 bounce is not something. We'll bounce at 100 and we'll try to form a bottom. Yes, we'll try to form a bottom. We'll trick more people to buy it at 100. Most likely. And those people will probably be disappointed when finally we'll come back to the moon or below the moon. This is my 2 cents, people. I'm not interested to touch this one. Not yet. Okay, that's the higher time frame review. Let's go on the calendar. I don't think it's necessary. Everyone should know that we have interest rate decision and Fed conference. Big important news. Let's try to find a fast scalp here and there, get the fuck out, and in the event to be completely on the sidelines. It's not a good idea to open trades or to have trades open in the FOMC event. The worst idea ever. Maybe you'll get away this time, next time. At some point in time, something bad will happen and you lose a lot of money. I learned my lesson. I'm not fucking around in the events, especially big ones like this. Okay, we know what we have. Let's go on Bitcoin. Well, there you go. Yesterday, people, let's start with the beginning. Yeah, we said that we want this YM and we took this short, and I said I'll keep 25% from that short. I'm still in with that short. I booked some profit. The stop loss is at scratch and I'm just waiting. In the same time, we saw this movement, we saw the dump, we saw the SFU levels. Yesterday in the New York session, on lower time frame, 5-minute chart, I took that SFU setup. And guess what? We are close to the take profit, which is a 3.7 4R. Good enough for me. In the morning, I posted for people. I saw some people trying to short here, and I said, well, no. A, B, C, D looks like the thing to watch for next. And you can see, we are getting close to the short reload zone. A, B equals D will probably be completed. It's too late, even if we'll front run here. And it's too late to think long, and it's too early to think short. So, if the market will pump here in the short reload zone and then will aim out, well, okay. Also, we can play the Monday high. We are getting back to the middle of the range. That was the target, the initial target for the SFU. If we get there, take more profit off, but don't close it entirely. It's possible for us to bounce even to the Monday high. And guess what? I played the SFU from the Monday low or below the Monday low to the Monday high, if will be the case. Anyway, book some profit already, made some money. I'll make more if the market will bounce. You cannot ask more from a trader like me in this environment. Keep in mind, this is 66, 63, $3,000 range. I took the top, I took the bottom. And I think I did it publicly, or at least for premium members. No? That means if I have premium members, I have VIP bigger. VIP members have the premium included. I don't know if I took this one in a live stream. I think I did. Anyway, we shorted the top, we longed the bottom. That's why we are here, people. That's why we are in Crypto Traders Arena, to trade and try to make money. And looks like week after week, month after month, we are profitable. Yeah, it's a big difference. Premium is slow. Premium is to slowly learn what you are doing. VIP is kind of spoon feeding a lot of ideas on lower time frame, but you have to be sharp enough to use those ideas. And of course, it's a lot more expensive if you consider at the dollar value. People in VIP don't consider it as expensive, because one winning trade and they'll do more than they pay for the subscriptions. Idea is that you need a acceptable portfolio. You don't have any business to stay in VIP if you don't have at least a 10K portfolio. And you don't know what you are doing. That's fast, that's strong, that's good, but it's not for beginners. Okay, the registration for VIP will start at the beginning of the month. No, you need to go on Discord, and on Discord you'll find out the link to the VIP. You'll see the price, you'll see what you need to do. You need to DM Stefan on Discord, but after we'll open the registration. So A, B, C, D pointing out here, it's possible to do another attempt, a fake out, another CD move to the SFU here of the Monday high, and that to trigger a short. Possible. I'll take that one. Probably yes. The only question is if it will happen and how close will be to the FOMC. So if it will be too close to the FOMC, I don't like it. If it will be, I don't know, at the beginning of New York session or in the middle of the New York session, and we still have time to go back down before we enter under the influence of FOMC, well, I think I could take a short here. The next level is higher, 66,900 or 67,248. So we have levels to watch for SFU short. For a long, well, we need to drop back down, and I don't see it at the moment. But if we drop back down and we take this level, 62,600, that's a clear level for me to long. Okay, so that's Bitcoin on a 50-minute chart. Let's zoom out on 1 hour. Same levels, same thinking. We even have an LJ here. You can see W completely the other side of the trend line. Huh? LJ setup. Even better. Ethereum, a bit stronger than Bitcoin. We are getting closer to the short reload zone. I want to short this one. No. The first level I want to think short, to think about a short, is SFU of the Monday high. Is dangerous? Yes, even that level is dangerous because it's too damn close to $2,000. And if you look left, you'll see how Ethereum is behaving in the $2,000 area. Okay. So that is about Ethereum. A bit stronger, you can see, is trying to do something nice here. But FOMC day, not interested to be aggressive or to be aggressive on hunting setups. Hype, we dumped. That's nice. People that shorted here made nice money. I don't touch this one, at least not for the moment. Solana. Solana is Solana, people. I don't want to touch it. It's too ugly, in my humble opinion. Yes, on 1 hour. Well, we are still playing the Monday range. Yesterday, we attempted 2 times to break the Monday low and take that liquidity, and we didn't succeed. We left some liquidity behind. That's intentional, most probably. We have liquidity above, we have liquidity below, which makes me think we'll have a dark mode in the FOMC, before FOMC or after the FOMC. A candle to take the highs, clean everything up, and the same candle or the next candle to take the lows, clean everything up, and then stop around 7,500. A probable scenario here. So, what we can play before the FOMC? Monday high, Monday low. If we'll take this level before the FOMC, that will be nice. Middle of the range, don't touch it. So fucking simple. Nasdaq, a bit weaker than ES, but you can see it's trying to reclaim the Monday low. If we reclaim, it's up to you to frame a setup if you want. Play the Monday range. Gold, we are below the Monday range. We are trying to hold the long reload zone. We made a W in the long reload zone with some bullish divergence. You can see I draw the downtrend, the trend line here on DCM. W the other side could convince some traders to play an LJ. Will take a bit more time, but you get the idea. An LJ could be nice here. I will trade gold? No. I'm not touching traditional market at the moment. And ZEC is making new lows, which is nice, slow and steady. We talked about ZEC on higher time frame. I don't think we have any reason to think something else. We are aiming out. Every dump is getting bought from some beginners or some people. I don't know if it's wise to do that above $300 or $200. But, well, we are short, we are in profit. That's all that matters. Okay, going back on Bitcoin. We are in profit. We made nice money. We cannot ask more from us, from Crypto Traders Arena. We shorted the top, we longed the bottom, and we did that repeatedly over and over again. With a 55-60% win rate and more than 2-to-1 risk to reward, we are damn profitable. We cannot ask for more than that. Sometimes we'll make a lot of money, sometimes we'll make a bit of money, sometimes, not too often, we'll be scratch traders, and from time to time, I don't know, we'll have a week with a small loss. Which are damn good results, people. To be consistently profitable on weekly basis, on monthly basis, is not easy. Yeah? Go and ask, for example, Grook. Yeah, that's a good AI to ask. Ask Grook if you are a day trader and you manage on average to make 5 to 10% profit on your portfolio. Is that a good result? It's a bad result or a really good result? Yeah? Ask him and you'll get an idea. To be consistently profitable, month after month after month. He will tell you it's almost impossible to do that. That's what he will tell you. To keep above 10% month after month or close to 10%, it's almost impossible. We managed to do it because we respect the fucking plan and we are not fucking around. Yeah? Well, I'm not. If you have a coin request, you can put it here in the chat. I'm not checking the Twitter in the same time. Yeah? Ask the request here if you want. I don't have a problem with that. Stefan in his live stream is asking people to keep everything together and put the request under his post. That's a good thing to do, but I don't do that. So feel free to put the ticker here. Okay. A, B, C, D. Let's see if it will happen. You should be risk free. You should be in profit. You should book even some profit. We are at 3R, 3.2R, 3.5, 3 point something. Anyway, anything else? If you want to learn to trade like us, you can join Capo One. Get in Discord using the Subscord link. Kind of prove that you are serious. Someone DM me 4 or 5 times for a subscription of $30 1 month. Why the fuck I did this automatically? So I don't spend time managing subscriptions. Asking question if he can pay $29 instead of $30. Is that so important that you should DM me for that? To be honest with yourself. Anyway, there are people and people. So if you want to get in Discord, that's the way you do it. You click on the Twitter, Subscord, you get on this store, you click join, you take 1 month. If you don't want to pay for more months, you get in, and from there you open the Discord. The Discord is open for you. You can get on premium, stay on premium, or get in VIP, or try to get in Capo One, and so on. I don't manage the entries anymore. I have some small exceptions when Stefan is doing a promotion for his subscribers. That will give some of his subscribers a free entry on the Discord, on the general part. But nothing more than that. If you want to enter on Discord and be one of us, this is the official way to do it. Yeah? After 1 month, if you don't want to pay for premium, you will be a general member. The rest is up to you. Okay. If you want to join Capo One, we start in September. 3 places left. I don't keep the places. I don't reserve the places. You reserve the place at the payment. It's so simple. Well, I don't see that request. You didn't type in the chat, MU. No. Let's see how many reposts we have for this one. Well, 36, 46. That's good. Okay. Acceptable. If you reach the target, which looks probable now, book more profit. Okay? Book more profit. Don't be greedy in a FOMC day and say, well, no, we'll push higher and I'll maximize the profit. Take more profit. Trail the rest if you want. Let at 25, 30% on trailing mode. But book more profit here. Okay, people. So that's Bitcoin. That's Ethereum, which again, you can think about Ethereum. Think the same story. A, B, C, D. We don't have a double indeed, but you can see A, B, C, D. Pointing out to 78.6. Shark area. Not bad. But I think if we'll reach this level, I think we'll go for the SFU. Conference on the Monday high and so on. MicroStrategy? Come on, man. Grow up. After you see the bottom on Bitcoin, you can think about MicroStrategy. I don't need to put that chart because it's nothing I could see about MicroStrategy. Wait for Bitcoin to form a bottom. October, November, December, I don't know exactly when. When you see weekly and monthly W's on Bitcoin, you know that probably you have the bottom. And then if you see the strategy still there and had the same pattern, be my guest. I will touch MicroStrategy instead of altcoins and instead of Bitcoin? No, never. To be honest, I don't want to touch MicroStrategy. I don't want to see that stock. Sorry. That motherfucker is not honest. That motherfucker is not playing for us. That motherfucker will sell his investors for nothing. That's my opinion. A lot of people in crypto traders arena know. I call him Michael. I call him Sailor Moon for a reason. I don't want to play that game. Yeah? When I don't like a game, I don't fight to change the rules. I just stop playing. That's my way of protecting my capital. I don't play. It's my money. I don't want to put it there. Simple. And I don't think strategy is a good option for us. Okay. Ethereum, AB equals CD, pointing out to 78.6. Again, Stefan and other people will tell you. Yeah? Shark on Ethereum, it's always a good idea. Yeah, be my guest. Maybe this time you make an exception and you stay the fuck out because it's the FOMC day. Maybe not. It's up to you. Okay, people. That being said, let's call it a live stream. If you are a VIP member, see you in 2 minutes. By the way, insiders on VIP, do the payment for VIP, reserve your place. Will soon open for public. If you are a premium member, see you in the New York session. And if you are a general member, see you tomorrow morning with the daily crypto plan. See you next time, people. Bye bye.